In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom photo background image to your Google Calendar, updated for 2025. If you're tired of the plain, minimalist look of your Google Calendar and are yearning for a bit of personalization, then this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautiful custom background to look at every time you check your schedule. To start off, you'll need to visit the Chrome Web Store. Here, search for an extension called Custom Calendar Background. This handy tool is what will allow us to spice up our calendar with any image we choose. Once you have found it, go ahead and click the Add to Chrome button. If you're using another Chromium-based browser like Brave, you'll click Add to Brave instead. This will install the extension right into your browser. After the installation is complete, the next thing you'll want to do is pin this new extension to your browser's toolbar. Find the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome or Brave, click it, and you should see a list of your extensions. Look for Custom Calendar Background and click the little pin icon next to it to ensure it stays at the top of your browser for easy access. Now let's find an image you'd love to see on your calendar. Head over to your favorite image hosting site such as Unsplash or Pexels. Browse around, and once you've found that perfect picture, copy the URL of the image. This URL will allow the extension to access your chosen image directly from the web. With the image URL in hand, return to your browser and click on the extension icon, now pinned at the top right of your browser. This will open a menu and you'll want to select the Options tab. In the options, there's a selection for Overlay. Here you should choose the Light Overlay option. This will ensure that your calendar entries remain visible over the image and are easy to read. Next, in the background section, choose Single Image. This setting tells the extension that you're adding just one image as your background. Now paste the URL of your chosen photo into the image URL box provided. Once your URL is entered, double check it to make sure it's correct. Everything's set and ready to go. Excellent. The final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button to apply the new settings. Now head over to your Google Calendar to admire your work. You should see your chosen custom photo displayed beautifully as your background, adding a personal touch every time you check your calendar. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar should now reflect a part of your personality with the custom image you've selected. Don't forget that you can change this image anytime by going back into the extensions options. Enjoy your new, vibrant Google Calendar.